Do you feel like an Olympic sprinter running around managing devices? Take a break. There's a better way. Introducing Canon's enhanced imageWARE Enterprise Management Console, a browser-based utility that makes managing multiple Canon devices on the customer's network a snap. Want to know more? Sure you do. imageWARE Enterprise Management Console, or EMC for short, is a lightweight utility that can be easily installed on the customer's network in under 5 minutes. Once installed, it can simplify your day with automated task management, even overnight and on weekends. imageWARE EMC scales to fit environments of all sizes, and it works across multiple time zones, too. So, whether your client has just a few devices or tens of thousands, imageWARE EMC can help centralize device management by easily discovering equipment. You can monitor, retrieve, and distribute device settings. You can also distribute address books, MEP applications, and firmware updates. Pretty cool, right? imageWARE EMC has been designed to improve usability and performance to simplify operations. Using a new customizable dashboard that allows for visual reporting helps reduce device downtime by directing maintenance alerts to the network administrator. And of course, it's compliant with modern security standards. From streamlining device control to accelerating problem resolution and task automation, Canon's imageWARE Enterprise Management Console is a total network solution for managing devices across your organization. And it helps streamline IT workflows, too. You can even expand the solution and optimize administration efficiency throughout your entire enterprise. So stop sprinting and start automating with Canon imageWARE Enterprise Management Console.